Welcome to my channel, I'm Bea. My channel is about art journaling, mixed media, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Now enjoy my video. Welcome everybody, glad you made it back here. So today we're gonna play again with our weekly backgrounds. I'm gonna start first with some black gesso. We're gonna need some painter's tape. I happen to have the painter's tape for delicate surface. I would suppose the other ones would work too, but that's just what I have on hand. We're gonna play with paint, so no further ado, let's dive into. So let's add some black gesso. I just want the colors to pop, and black always helps. And if you don't have gesso, you could use some black paint instead. And I prefer, instead of painting it with the paintbrush, I actually prefer to roll it. And as you can see from my protecting mat, I have used it before, the black gesso. And hopefully I don't get anything on the other end, we'll see. What I like about the gesso also, it is cheaper than paint, and also it dries quicker than paint, which is handy for when we are in a hurry. I'm still gonna use the heat tool though. So I will be back when my surface is dry again. So it is dry now. And first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use tape. And I just take a piece and put it down somewhere. I'm gonna make little compartments. No rhyme, no reason, just what I'm feeling for. Oops, but what I want is that it goes really from end to end. Just making sure that it really sticks so that the paint cannot seep under. That's not what I want. And I think I'm gonna empty out this paint. If there is still some left here, let's see. Yeah, there is still some. And I'm gonna water it down a bit because it's a rather dried up old paint. If your paint is fresh and juicy, you don't need that step. And I'm just gonna paint all over. So this layer I'm gonna zoom you in a bit. I'm gonna do, if I turn that, I'm gonna do a lot of short strikes. I want kind of the brush marks. You don't have to have it that way. You could use again the roller instead, but I feel like I want that now. Okay, that has to dry. Again, I'm gonna use the heat gun and I will be back. It's dry again. Now I'm gonna remove the tape, and the best way to do that is going into the reversed order you did put it on. Now we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna go over with the tape. Just try to hit other areas. So this time I'm gonna use the pink. And this time I think I'm gonna roll it, just for a variation. Uh-oh, it did seep underneath a bit, but oh well. It's just the background. So I'm gonna do it the last time with the tape. Trying to hit other areas. Probably because I didn't rub it in last time. I forgot to rub it in, so it had the occasion to seep under. And so far I have used the brush, I have used the brayer. This time I'm gonna use a baby wipe. Just to show you that you can also use different kind of tools to apply paint. Okay, I can't resist. I want some yellow too. So you can stop at any point you want, but I think I need some yellow too. So that's what I'm gonna do. This time I'm gonna cover up quite a bit because I only want a little bit of yellow. You have to think kind of reverse, so the more you cover up, the less yellow you get. I think that would be enough yellow. because that's a fresh paint, I know I can use it right away. So here we are with another budget-friendly background. I hope you enjoy those videos. If so, please leave me a nice comment and share on whatever social media you are on. I have a little blob here and let's see if I can, yeah. So while it's still a little bit wet, it's not complete, I didn't completely dry it. You can fix those things a little bit. I like it much better that way. So now, in case you are wondering what to do with those, what about the card background? And then you go around with a Sharpie marker or a black marker and have a really colorful, nice background. And talking about budget-friendly backgrounds, I don't waste paint usually. So what I did with some of the leftovers, don't look at the orange, I used it here on my art journal, so I have a spread ready for when I feel like doing some artwork. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you soon again. Take care!